Acknowledgement. Acknowledgement means a declaration by an individual
before A. Judge. B. Notarial officer. C. Police officer. D. None of the above. B. Notarial officer.
Affirmation. Affirmation means a solemn statement of truth, made under penalty.
Made under A. Penalty of perjury before a notary public. B. Penalty of revocation of state identification. C. Penalty of $10,000 in fines. D. None of the above. A. Penalty of perjury before a notary public.
Communication technology. Communication technology means an electronic device or process that A. Allows a notary public and a remotely located individual to communicate with each other simultaneously by sight and sound, and B. When necessary, under and consistent with other applicable law, facilitates communication between a notary public and a remotely located individual who has
A. Criminal record. B. Business. C. Vision, hearing or speech impairment. D. A notary commission in a different state. C. Vision, hearing or speech impairment.
Notarial act. A. Notarial act means an act, whether performed with respect to a tangible or electronic record, that a notarial officer may perform under the laws of the state. B. Notarial act includes taking an acknowledgement, administering an oath or affirmation, taking a verification on oath or affirmation, witnessing
or A. Driving your client home. B. Purchasing a notary seal. C. The outfit of the client. D. Certifying or attesting a copy. D. Certifying or attesting a copy.
Notarize. Notarize means to perform a notarial act with respect
to A. Lawsuit. B. Record. C. Homeowners Association. B. Record.
Notarization. Notarization
means A. The act of notarizing. B. The act of testifying at a trial. C. The act of recording a phone call. D. None of the above. A. The act of notarizing.
Oath. Oath means a sworn solemn statement of truth made by an individual who believes in and appeals to a divine being of the individual's actions or words.
Read both choices and choose the appropriate answer. The answer is A.
Original Notarial Act. Original Notarial Act means the completion of
A. Means to make a photocopy of a document. B. Means the filing of a court motion. C. Means the collection of a cash payment. D. Means the completion of a single notarial act involving one record. Means the completion of a single notarial act involving one record.
Remote Notarial Act. Remote Notarial Act means a notarial act performed by a notary public.
A. For a payment arrangement. B. For a remotely located individual using communication technology. C. For an online appointment scheduling system. B. For a remotely located individual using communication technology. C.
Remote Online Notary Vendor. Remote Online Notary Vendor is a company that provides communication technology primarily used to facilitate a notarial act for a remotely located individual, and the technology offered by the vendor includes identity proofing and credential analysis that the notary public may use when required by law to identify
A. A judicial officer. B. A child. C. A relative. D. A remotely located individual. D. A remotely located individual.
Remotely located individual. Remotely located individual means an individual who is not in the physical presence of the notary public who
A. A notarial act. B. On stage. C. A job interview with a notary. A. A notarial act.
Verification on oath or affirmation. Verification on oath or affirmation means a declaration made by an individual on oath or affirmation before a notarial officer that
A statement must be announced by the governor. B. A statement has been made by the credit card company. C. A statement in a record is true or that a remotely located individual has the identity claimed. D. None of the above. C. A statement in a record is true or that a remotely located individual has the identity claimed.